everyone, welcome to MedTech World Dubai 2025, and I'm here with Anas, co-founder of Evanatomy. He's one of the startups being today with us. Thank you very much
Hi,
and
thank you for
welcome to
having me.
Dubai.
Thank you for having me. Hi, how are you?
Very good, Anas. So let's talk about what's the story behind Eva.
So, Eva is trying to build the next generation surgical navigation system. The problem currently that we have with the surgical navigation system that they cannot adapt to the deformation of the brain during the surgery. So the surgeons need to use intraoperative MRI, meaning higher cost, higher investment for the hospital, longer operation, larger incisions, longer recovery time for the patients. With Eva, we give the surgeon the ability to track this deformation in real time, meaning however the brain is deformed during the operation, Eva can tell the surgeons where the tumor and the trajectory to extract this tumor.
How the idea started and how long, more or less, you started
The
with?
idea started last year. Originally, me and my co-founders, we used to work as researchers at the University of Luxembourg. We are based in Luxembourg. And one of the projects that we had with surgeons, but it was not about the brain tumor. But one day the surgeons were really angry and upset, frustrated because the current surgical navigation system didn't work during the operation. So instead of finishing the operation in 2 hours, it took 5 hours. And then we chit-chatted about what's happening, why. He explained the problem to us. We did some brainstorming and we came out with some kind of solution, which worked.
How long have you been in the market?
We are still a startup, so currently we are trying to raise fund so we can go to the clinical trials. We have a prototype with a patent filed in our system, and Eva is only less than 1 year old.
Okay. What are those challenges that a startup can face? Now, you are based in Luxembourg,
Yeah.
but today we are in Dubai.
Yeah. The biggest challenge for a medtech startup is to convince the investors that their profit will come back in 5, 6 years. Because when you build a medtech device, you have the regulation, QMS, clinical trials, that takes a lot of money and takes a lot of time. But the reward at the end of this way is huge. And this is one of the challenges that we are facing right now.
Why Dubai?
Dubai and the GCC is one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best places to start your startup here. You have diversity of people, you have multiculturals, you have funds there, you have the VCs, you have the open-minded people, so you can flourish in.
So today we'll have the opportunity to have you on stage, right?
Yes.
So what are we going to see on stage?
We will pitch our idea.
Yeah.
We will pitch it in a simplified way for the investors so they can understand what we are trying to build. And hopefully they will be convinced about the innovation of Eva and help us in raising some funds.
What do you think is your trick to win this pitch?
Just be straight and be honest and show your product and tell them the difficulties, the challenges, and your solution.
Thank you very much
Thank
and
you.
good luck
Thanks
in
a
your
lot.
pitch.
Thanks a lot.